everyone, to the Curly Express. Dwight here. What's on the bench Tuesday? Oh man, not much. I am trying to reorganize, clean up all this clutter and stuff. My desk is a mess. Been cleaning out over here. I got different things I've been putting in all those little drawers. I got all this stuff over here. I gotta probably throw that one away. I gotta dump that out, clean it. I gotta clean that one, clean that one. That is what I use to clean my. That's actually rubbing alcohol in there, but it's gonna have to get all dumped out. Cause see how black it is? That's from the resin prints. I use it to clean. I need to clean all of those. I found my two of my wire trees I never finished. Trying to get things organized. I gotta go through all that, clean that. I gotta work on all this area here, clean all this up. And I cleaned under this dust, this mat. Clean all that over there. I flipped this mat upside down. I put the bad part. I don't know if they even going to sit back there. I gotta clean all this out. Look at all this stuff. So that's what's on the bench Tuesday. It's just a mess. I'm tired of the clutterness. I gotta get things organized. So here's my little semi I painted. Oh, yesterday. And it came out nice. I like the color of it. I'm not too happy because the seats turned green, but haven't decided if I'm going to put in chrome on it yet, though, either. I do have my chrome pins. So I could add more detail to it, or just leave it all green. I don't know yet. I still gotta print the tires for it yet. I got a couple of them, but don't have them all. And I was able to save the mirrors on it. The mirrors are good. Not focusing very good, but they seem to be good. So that's what's on the bench. A mess. Getting better though, getting clean, getting cluttered. Gotta go through everything and put it in the right place. Alright, that's it. Thumbs up. Ding that bell. Catch y'all later. Bye.